So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain you about the experiment on the solar panel which is in series combination. I already made the connection here. I will explain you. So let us start. Solar panel in series combination. Aim to determine the efficiency of the solar panel and study of IV characteristics. So apparatus required here are solar panel, ammeter, voltmeter, resistance box. You can see here this is the solar panel and then ammeter in terms of milliampere, resistance box and then DMM, digital multimeter, you can use for the voltage measurement. Then bulb. So you have to switch on before while starting the experiment, so that solar shell or solar panel we are considering, so it must heat up. So here are the positive and negative terminals are there for the given solar panel. You have to make this series combination here. So first you should see the circuit diagram here. According to that you should make the connections. Here is the diagram. So according to given diagram, so first of all you should know how to make the connections with the help of diagram. This is the common connection between positive and negative terminal for series combination. Positive to negative terminal of the panel, and the negative terminal of the panel must be connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and another end must be connected to the positive terminal of the ammeter, and negative terminal of the ammeter must be connected to the one end of the resistance box. Other end of the resistance box must be connected to the negative terminal of the DMM or battery, DMM you can say. Then this common junction must be connected to the positive terminal of the panel. So like that you have to make the connections and you can perform the experiment. Going to start, you should know how the solar cell works, on which principle. Okay, it is what the device, solar cell is the device that converts light energy or solar energy into electrical energy using photovoltaic effect. It is going to work on the principle of photovoltaic effect. So first you should read the theory, then you can understand here. You have to find out fill factor and efficiency, which are the IV characteristics of the solar cell. Before that, and here in the previous video I have explained about solar cell. This is solar cell in series combination or solar panel in series combination. So for that also you have two nature of graphs. One is current versus voltage. Here also you should find out P maximum, and another one is resistance versus input power. You will get this nature of graph. First what you have to do, write down the observation here, number of cells in panel. Okay, here you can see in this panel, if you take, we have considered these two terminals, positive negative terminal of this solar cell, which are in series combination. Here if you count the numbers here, how many cells are there on this panel? 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 12. N is equal to what? 12. Intensity of solar radiation, it is 100 watt bulb. Okay, write down that. Area of each cell you can calculate, L into B, length into breadth. This is how you can measure length into breadth. You will get around 4 centimeters square area of the cell. efficiency of area of the panel, if you want to calculate, how many cells are there? 12 into area, the 4, if you multiply you will get the area of the panel. Then distance between bulb and filament. So distance between bulb and filament you can measure using your normal scale. Okay, how much distance you are keeping, that you can note down, around 9 or 10 centimeter. Then write down the distance between bulb and filament. Short circuit current, that is here you can see we have around 60 to 64 milliampere. So open circuit voltage you can see around 3.3 volt by applying infinite key. So the current must read 0 ampere. So the open circuit voltage is 3 volt by applying infinite key. Once you note down open circuit voltage, keep as it is. Here the current already I have shown you. So you can so open circuit voltage by applying the infinite key you can find out. Then so next in this tabular column you have to apply the resistance, corresponding voltage and current you have to measure. So you can apply here the resistance, the starting reading 10 ohm. You can remove here the 5 ohm or 10 ohm key directly. Then you should measure the current and voltage. So for the measurement of IV characteristics, you can go for the tabular column 1. In that, first you should start with 10 ampere, 10 ohm resistance if you apply. How much current is there? You can note down around 58 milliampere. Corresponding voltage 0.5 volt or 0.5 volt. You can note down that, and like that you can apply the resistances and note down corresponding current and voltage. So you can apply the resistance about 170 ohm, measure the current and voltage, corresponding current and voltage, calculate power, P is equal to V into I, take the log of resistance R, then go for calculation power input, that is WA by 4 pi D square, 100 watt bulb into area of the panel, and D is what, the distance between bulb and solar panel. Calculate input power. P max you can calculate from graph, also from tabular column here. Maximum power you can calculate. So here the nature of graph already shown you. You can calculate the P max. Here they found about the P max you can calculate, and how much you get. They got 243 into 10 to the power minus 3 watt. Calculate efficiency P maximum by P input, that is the efficiency they got 7.02%. And also fill factor, that is the formula given here, V max into I max divided by open short circuit current into open circuit voltage. So do the calculation, fill factor must be around 0.8, near to that. At the end you can write the result here, efficiency, fill factor, how much you got. These are what solar cell characteristics. This is how you can perform this experiment.